Hello everyone, it's Sim here and it's a nice spring day and we're at the pool now, my local pool at Springfield Park, Kidderminster, and we're going to go and feed the ducks. Somebody's going to drop some, looks like bread, but I've got seeds which I probably prefer. See if there's any takers. Put it on the bank because they won't really find it in the grass. It's lovely. Some sleeping on the side there, look, can you see that? People are starting to come out for this lovely spring weather. This is Kidderminster, Worcestershire. We'll drop a few just here by the little pier. See if they come in or not. See if they prefer this than it looks like they're fully fed. We'll see. Starting to make a bit more noise. Here they come. They're more interested in my seeds than the bread. We brought some over this side for the young ones because I think just dived in there. Some that side. And some this side. There I am, look, on camera. All kinds of ducks. Can you identify any? Best if I do it out to the shade. Put some there. So all kinds of ducks here. Yeah, there's a white duck there. And there's a lot of mallards. The mallards are good with I hope you can hear me over the wind's blowing now. The males are with the green heads, and that's the female. Can you see between those two there? Brown colours. This is a mallard, look. There you are. And that's female right in the centre there. The male there, female there, male, female, mallard, and there's another mallard. Some can I go that side? They're all round me now, look. They're a bit wary at first, and now look, they're all the way round me. And there's the bread they're not so keen on. Oh, was it biscuits? Sorry, biscuits. Got some up here, down here from here. There's a bit of wind muffler for this camera. I think it's gonna pick up. The sound will pick it up. There's a nice looking duck. What's this one there? Does anybody know what that duck is there? That one there, look. See if we can get closer. Yeah, that one there. duck is that? Because we know that's a mallard. And that's a male mallard. Male, female. But what's that one? Don't know. I'm more of a birder than a twitcher, really. These heads, you know, they look green sometimes, and they look like it's purple. Shimmering purple. I thought it was green before, green and purples. Depending which way you look. There's a white duck there, what's that? Just, oh, it's not focusing there. I bet they get really well fed here, these birds. Let's zoom out again, can get them all in there. Well, can get more in, I think, not all of them in. There must be over 100. I'll keep them busy for a bit anyway. Nice pond, isn't it? Springfield Pond in Kidderminster, Worcestershire. That's England, UK, United Kingdom. Nearly come to the end of me bit. So there to identify it. See that sack tower there? Not sure what it was for. We'll have to find out. Right, there you are. That's facing into the sun, to the south. There you are, look. Both sides. Hope you enjoyed that. This was Sim on Simbird. Bye for now, everyone. Happy birding.